Hey everybody, Lee Goldstein here for 10 Minute Trades. And this week there was a trade we absolutely should have taken. I got too conservative and it actually had two different setups. Each would have made money. Let me show you what I mean. We have a daily trade report that helps us to trade the events. We had a gold setup. We call it a trap trade reversal trade. And we had a euro breakout trade. The euro breakout works instantaneously and the trap trade takes a few moments. The euro setup is on the right chart. The trap trade reversal is on the left chart. Let me show you what happened. Now there's two ideas that are taking place here. There's going to be a breakout trade on the right. There's just going to be a burst to the downside and the orders, the X's, are going to be hit and there's an immediate profit on the euro trade. That was the right side of the chart. Immediate profit on the breakout. Now the trap trade, we're expecting that gold will push down and it's also then going to reverse. And it's the reversal that's going to give us our profit. It fills the second order and now it's going to start moving up. The candle changes color in green. I can take my stop, which is down here, and very soon I'm going to be able to take my stop and bring it to an area of safety, which would be above here, above where the trade got filled. Look at that. Now it's changed direction, just like we thought. And we're over $400 in profit. I can trail my stop, keep trailing the stop, keep trailing the stop. Eventually it pulls back for a sweet profit. Over $600 would have been easy on that trade. That is also including the euro in that, which was 156 profit. But you can see clearly Flash Manufacturing Services was the trade I should have taken. I did not allow the trade to fill in real life because I was concerned that because the euro pushed down so hard, that gold was going to keep going and would not reverse, because the trade has a history of not reversing at times and being inconsistent. But clearly, I should have just trusted our setup, let it all work, and we could have had an awesome, awesome profitable trade. Definitely the trade I should have taken. Flash Manufacturing, Lee Goldstein, signing out here for 10 Minute Trades. We learn by watching and understanding the mistakes that we made so we do it differently in the future. See you in the trade room.